Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video from Login Helps. In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can kick someone out of your Netflix account. Sometimes you may share your Netflix account with your friends or your peers. This may also result in them sharing it with others, and sometimes your Netflix account becomes crowded. In such case, you can always kick off unwanted Netflix users from your Netflix account. In order to do so, you will need to use your web browser. First of all, let's go ahead and open up your web browser and then go into netflix.com. Log into your account if necessary by using your email address and your password. There are two methods that you can use in order to kick unwanted users from your Netflix. Go into your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Account. This will open up your account settings page. In here you will be able to find the Change Password button. Click on this and then proceed with changing your password. Type in your current password first and then enter your new password twice to confirm it. Make sure you enable the checkbox which says Require all devices to sign in again with new password, as this is the most important step which makes sure that unwanted users are not allowed to use your Netflix account anymore. Then click on the Save button, and then you will be notified that your Netflix password has been changed. Now everyone who is using your Netflix account will be asked to enter the password and log in once again. So this will make sure that those who do not know the password anymore will not be able to log in. You can also click on Sign out of all devices from the settings menu. This will make sure that all of the devices that are currently logged in to Netflix will be signed out. Click on the Sign Out button to proceed, and then all of the devices will be logged out from Netflix. So that is how you can kick off unwanted users from your Netflix account. If this video was helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell in order to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.